I have myself here the TSC edition, it seems, of the Big Buddy heater. 4,000, 9,000, 18,000. It went on sale for $104. And I had them ship it in that big box, which was double lined. It was very nice. It came perfect UPS free because it was over $49. But I bought this one because a lot of them do not have the heater. Or the heater. They do not have the fan in them. It says it has the high-powered fan on it. It is green, which doesn't really bother me. I'd rather have the green. It's less noticeable for what I'm using it for. 11 hours, 4.5, 2.5, 2.8. I've never really seen the different times. It says it's indoor safe. Little oxygen shutoff. Same thing on the side. The only thing I see different so far is it's green. Geez, you can hook two. Never thought of that. Two of them. I'm also wondering if it has the quick connect, which is shown right there in the photo. I'm going to be using the power supply instead of the batteries. Even though I do have rechargeable ones, but rechargeables just don't last as long. You have to pause that if you want to read it. It's pretty cool. It's all in English. Clear around. I haven't opened it yet. I'm hoping it's just like the red one. Let's find the model number. There's the model number. I couldn't really find it anywhere. Mr. Heater website only has the accessories for it and the parts, which also work in the red edition. Sorry if the camera doesn't focus. I use my phone. Oh, there she is. So you got some styrofoam. Gotta watch out. Sometimes they hide stuff in the styrofoam, especially that power cord. And if you wanted to repackage it, it even tells you that it's right side. I'm sure that side says left. Well, you know, don't say left. Instructions. I've never owned one before. I've always seen them. That cage stays way out. I thought it was a bit closer. All the warnings and how to operate it. The fan switch. I am going to light it in a little bit. Model number again. Just the normal stuff. It says use a filter. I don't really understand the filter. Holy cow, there's a whole tear apart. Tear down in case you gotta fix it, which is great. And it's in another language. It's really nice that they... Hold on. I was saying I don't really understand why they don't give you a power cord or nothing. That's kind of mean of them. They expect you to use batteries. I don't understand the filter because propane should be filtered. Let's see if I can go. But I haven't really seen anybody with a video online saying they use a filter. Looks like you can even hang it on the wall. Set a ground. Oh, 6-volt DC. That little plug right there. 6-volt. It's a little tiny thing. So let's see if it works straight out of the box. take a canister. Oh, it does have the quick adapter. Where's my camera at? So when that pulls out. Yep, that's nice. At least on this side it does. Put the propane tank in. Oop, tilt that out. Screw it in. Nice and snug. Push it down. Kind of hovers there. So if you're hitting a bunch of bumps, it's gonna be banging around in there. Shut that. Ooh, got a bit heavier now. It only has that quick adapter on one side. Kind of glad it has it. Even though this is green, it does feel like it's like an older model, because the newer models don't have the fan. At least some of them don't. You're supposed to spray to check for leaks. Since I'm indoors, I'm going to try and sniff to see if I have leaks. There you go. All I smell is brand new plastic. So we're going to turn it to pilot. There we go. Just lit. Hey Google, make it night. There we go. It's just pilot right now. Turn it to low. Should kick on 1. And that is a lot of heat. That's 4,000 BTU. Turn on the AC. Turn it to medium. Looks like it just gives it a little bit more. Turn it back down to low. Low. There's medium. It's that's hot. More like an inch from it. See if that right side will start looking like the left. Oh, I gotta sit back a little bit. Whew. That is putting off some heat. Now I smell nothing. I don't smell propane or nothing for it. Remember, it's indoor safe. Obviously in a more ventilated area. Not like a car or something. I don't know if you could really do that. I think it does say, hey Google, make it sunset, that you need 2 tanks in it to make it work. Whoops, she picked up on everything I just said.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
Hey Google, make it sunset. Oh, it made the smoke alarm go off. Sorry, I had to go get the smoke alarm and shut it off. It thinks there's smoke, so there must be like a thick haze up in the air or something. I was going to use it in a camper. I guess I'm going to have to do some testing to make sure it doesn't set off the alarms all the time. Let's see if I can relight it. You just push it, prime it. What's it saying? Low fuel or something? There it goes. Relit. Turn it to medium or low. There it's back. I don't quite know where the oxygen sensor is on it, but if you go above 7,000 feet, you got less oxygen, and how this burns, it could shut off and not work. And that's the unboxing and setting up. I may put in the comments the success I have indoors. I'm going to be using it in a motorhome. But setting off a fire alarm is not what I want, especially when I kind of want a carbon monoxide smoke alarm combo in the room I'm in, just in case something does go wrong. Hopefully this is helping people with the TSC version that is green, because they also offer a red one for more money. So it kind of feels like you are getting like a cheaper brand or something, but to me it's the same. It doesn't have the light bar in the top and all that, but I need it as a heater.